Wow, check this out. I'm here at Timeless Skin Solutions being mesmerized by that. It looks very, very, very relaxing. I'm with Eve, the esthetician. Good morning.
Good morning.
So we're talking about micro needling. What is that? Sounds like it
Microneedling,
hurts.
it's actually very comfortable. What it does is there are 12 sterile needles in this disposable tip on the pen, and what it does is it creates tiny little micro injuries in the skin, and what that does is helps your body to rebuild its own natural collagen. So that can lead to smoother looking lines and wrinkles, decreased pore size, and then the needles can also create little micro channels, so any products that we apply to the skin can actually absorb better, and so they'll be more effective.
How long does it take?
It ranges from about 15 minutes to 45 minutes, depending on the areas that we're doing. We can just do small areas if really like only the eyes are a concern, or maybe around the mouth. Or we can do a full face treatment that takes about 30 minutes, and full face and neck for about 45 minutes.
What's the downtime for it?
The downtime is typically about only 24 hours.
Oh,
so
okay.
it's a very easy procedure to do. And it's comfortable as well. Patients are prescribed numbing cream that they apply. So it's really very a comfortable procedure for the patient.
So I saw you putting the gel on. What like walk us through a little bit of what you have to do.
Yes, the lubricant on here is hyaluronic acid gel, which is very hydrating to the skin, and it also can help plump up fine lines and wrinkles. We're moving it across the skin, and so we're going to try to get an even amount of little micro injuries into her skin. So we're just starting on the cheek, and then we'll continue on to the cheek until we've done a few passes, and then we'll do then we'll move to the chin area, and then we'll do the forehead and do the same on the other side. And then we can also do her nose. It's great for, decreasing pores on the nose. We'll do around her eyes. You'll start seeing results about a month after the procedure. And, we always recommend maintenance. So you'll probably, once we do a series of treatments, we may want to maintain a few times a year just to kind of keep the results.
So why should someone choose Timeless Skin Solutions to have this procedure done?
Well, Timeless, since we are a medical office, we can also combine this treatment with other procedures like Botox and laser. So really we can create a more customized plan for our patients so they can really get the best, healthiest skin.
Well, thank you so much, Eve. One of the great reasons to do it is because you can work with Eve, and she's amazing, right? So, for more information, you can visit timelessskinsolutions.com. You can also find them on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. And have your face all nice and pretty and shiny, like mine isn't right now, but it will be when I get this done. Back to you.